Hey, now, earlier on in the video, you guys saw me clearing gutters. You saw me doing some lawn care. That's pretty much what I've been doing the last couple of days. But now it's been raining. It's gonna be raining all next week, all this week. So I don't see myself getting anything done. So I've been focusing on getting other things done, like clearing out my garage, clearing out my storage locker, just getting some stuff together, calling my clients and things like that. I provide multiple services, and I'm glad that I do because it keeps my business going. When one service goes down, the other goes up, vice versa. It just works out good for me. I love doing it. And if you guys are interested in doing multiple services, or you're already doing multiple services, tell me what they are in the comment section. I would love to hear that. I like hearing new ideas. If you're thinking about something that you're trying to do, put it in the comment section.
That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
Hey, now, it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Also, tap the bell to get notified about all new videos and live chats. Also, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to check out the stories. This way, you can keep up with us on the daily. Thanks for the support. I'm back with another A&A production. One of the main reasons I started my own business is to do things my way. For the most part, we were taught to follow instructions and do what we were told. This way of life was consistent from the home to the church to the schools and to the 9 to 5. When I disagreed with my parents, I was told, and I quote, "Oh, you don't like it? Well, you can leave, get your own house, and then you can do what you want." So when I got old enough and got my money up, that's exactly what I did. Same thing with the 9 to 5. I got my money up and I took off to do my own thing. So now that I'm doing my own thing, I didn't come this far to take orders from anyone. I'm gonna do things how I see fit. Now there's more than one side to detailing. I'll just name two. You have the technical side and the business side. Both are equally important. You gotta do good work and be highly skilled. Now that's a given. This is a time-sensitive profession. The longer you take to complete a job, the less money you make. Now just for a second, take off your detailing hat and your car washer hat and focus on the business, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. I don't care what label I give myself. I can call myself a detailer, a landscaper, a businessman, a car washer. It doesn't matter. If I don't charge correctly, and if I don't be efficient, and if I don't do it within a specific time limit, I'm losing money. Just remember that. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.
Y'all, click right here to subscribe and watch these 2 great videos right here. Like a man.